Welcome to Honors Geometry Lesson 11.3, Perimeters and Areas of Similar Polygons. The ratio of areas theorem. If two figures are similar and the ratio of their perimeters is A over B, then the ratio of their areas is A squared over B squared. So, if the ratio of the perimeters is A over B, then the ratio of the areas is A squared over B squared. Just as a side note, remember that the ratio of the ratio of the perimeters is the same thing as scale factor, and it's also the same thing as the ratio of corresponding sides. Alright, so if the ratio of the perimeters is 1 to 5, or the scale factor is 1 to 5, or the ratio of the corresponding side lengths is 1 to 5, those are all the same thing, then the ratio of the areas, yes, 1 over 25. If the ratio of the perimeters is 4 over 7, then the ratio of the areas is 16 over 49. And if the ratio of the areas is 144 over 169, then the ratio of the perimeters is 12 over 13. So how are you going to use these things with similar triangles? Well, you're going to be given a couple of corresponding sides, a pair of corresponding sides. You're going to be given the area of one of the two figures, and you have to find the area of the other figure. So what you're going to do is the ratio of the perimeters is going to be 2 to 10. That, of course, can be reduced down to 1 to 5. Then you're going to find the ratio of the areas by squaring 1 and squaring 5. The ratio of the areas is 1 to 25. Now we can use that to write a proportion. 1 represents the small triangle. 25 represents the big triangle. So area of the small triangle is 7. So 7 over x, cross multiply, and the area is 175 square units. And that is how you will use areas and areas of similar polygons. Let's do one more. Okay, you got two similar rectangles. The ratio of the perimeters is 10 to 18. That, of course, can be reduced down to 5/9. The ratio of the areas is 25 over 81. And then you are going to write the following proportion. 25 over 81 equals the small one over the large area. Then you're going to cross multiply and divide. So 1575 equals 81x. Divide both sides by 81. And this is 19.4. Wait, 0.4 repeating. Hey, isn't that as a fraction 4/9? Sure it is. 19 and 4/9 inches squared. And that is how you use similar figures, ratios of perimeters, and ratios of areas. This does conclude Lesson 11.3, Honors Geometry.